A fast-spreading wildfire threatened 740 homes in northern Oregon on Friday. It destroyed one home and 5 other buildings overnight in what officials said could be one of the state's worst blazes for years. About 600 households have already been evacuated from the path of the so-called Rowena Fire, which has almost doubled in size since Thursday. It's burning to around 3,400 acres in the scenic Columbia River Gorge. An additional 140 households have been told to be on standby to leave. Experts say extreme drought in California and unusually dry conditions across Idaho and the Pacific Northwest have exacerbated the annual West Coast fire season, which runs from mid-May to mid-October. In Oregon alone, around 4,600 firefighters are battling a dozen blazes across more than 105,000 acres of forests and grasslands.